Welcome to Ragnarok X. I'm Damus the Gunslinger.
Get yourself ready. Here comes the rainy season once again. Classes are canceled at the schools again. We'll be spending our time in front of the computer screen. Get yourself ready. Here comes the rainy season once again. Classes are canceled at the schools again. We'll be spending our time in front of the computer screen. Open your eyes and look up to the sky. Dream while you're still young and give it all you've got. Poverty should never stop you from moving forward and fighting for your dreams. The raindrops fall like music on the window pane. Every drop leaves behind a memory that remains. Never forget the lessons our parents taught us, for they'll guide us through every storm along the way. Open your eyes and look up to the sky. Dream while you're still young and give it all you got. Poverty should never stop you from moving forward and fighting for your dreams. The raindrops fall like music on the window pane. Every drop leaves behind a memory that remains. Never forget the lessons our parents taught us, for they'll guide us through every storm along the way. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.